Good morning, students. I welcome you all in part 2, The Road Not Taken. Act as if what you do makes a difference. Once Sir William James said. So what makes a difference? Your actions makes a difference. Your choices makes a difference. Your decisions make difference. Sir Robert Frost, speaking about the same choices, same decisions in this wonderful poem. Already we have completed 2 stanzas, so here I am with stanza 3. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Here, trodden means walked over. In this stanza, the poet says that both the paths were similar that morning. Both had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. He decided that that day he would take one path and keep the other path for the another day, although he knew that one way leads on to another way. He knew that he could not go back on the choice that he had made. Similarly, even in our life, once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option, and we never get a chance to come back and take the other option that we had left earlier. You can take an example here that after 10th standard, a child has to opt for a stream. If he opts for commerce or he opts for science or arts or humanities, he has to be with that stream only. He can't come back, he can't change his stream. Stanza 4. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Here, sigh, a deep breath, hence, here in the future. In the last stanza, the poet says that in the future he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he had reached such a point in life that there were 2 options for him, and he travelled on that road which had been travelled upon by less number of people. That decision of his decided his future. Similarly, in future when you grow up, then you will say that once upon a time when you were young, you had 2 options. The choice that you made you what you become of it. This is a very strong message for all the students, for all human beings, that you should be wise and be careful while taking decisions, while making choices out of the options that you have in your life, because your future depends on the choice that you make today. Your future depends on the decision which you take today. Let's discuss the rhyme scheme. The road not taken. Here, the rhyme scheme is A B A A B. The poem is full of poetic devices. Here, poet used beautifully these all. The poem is beautiful example of symbolism. 2 roads which represents 2 or more choices in our life. Anaphora and repeated at the beginning of lines 2, 3 and 4. Alliteration. Here wanted where W sound is repeating, wa sound is repeating, first for sound is repeating, though that the sound is repeating. Repetition. Ages is repeated, 2 roads diverged in a wood, This sentence is repeated in stanza 1 and 4. Metaphor. A device which compares two things or qualities which are unlike. This poem as a whole is metaphor, as the poet is metaphorically comparing the parts in the wood to the choices one must make. I hope you understand the poem very well. The choices one. Thank you.